Ah, my eye! Don't you just hate it when you're out flying your paper airplane and someone's eye gets in the way? Worry no longer, because in this tutorial, we'll show you how to make some great paper airplanes. Getting them to avoid people's eyes is on you, though. So I'm gonna start by showing you how to make a simple airplane out of paper. So the first thing we're gonna do is fold it hot dog style like that. Then the next thing we're gonna do is fold in the corners like so. Fold the next corner down like that. We're gonna bend these corners to here in. And you do that on the other side. Then we'll flip this on its side and do the last part, which is folding this. And there you go. So the next one I'm going to show you how to do is pretty similar to the first. We're going to start by folding it hot dog style once again. Then we're going to fold the corners in. So we're just going to fold that other side over. Right, and like before, we're going to do this fold in. On both sides. Now this is where this one differs. We're gonna fold the nose of the plane over. Just fold that in. Then we're gonna fold these sides in like that. And there we have our paper airplane.